Good evening. I'm making this video because I've made an attempt to get a hold of Amazon from where I ordered my Surebounder glue gun that drips continuously nonstop. It eats through the glue sticks. They say they cannot find anywhere that I ever ordered this through them, which I did. I found it. I told them that the reviews are all of the same exact issue I'm having, where the glue just drips nonstop continuously. There was nothing that they can do for me. They gave me a phone number to contact, and it's a disconnect number. I think that if I can't get this resolved, I will also send this to the Better Business Bureau. You know, at $43 these days, that is a lot of money. And I could understand maybe if it was only one person that is having this issue, but it's not. It's numerous people under the reviews on Amazon. So anyway, I was just making this so that others can see what was going on with these.